Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to put a Wix website under construction. This is wix.com, and first I will log in to my account. On this Wix account, I have 3 blogs. Let's put this iPhone blog under construction. To do that, click on Select and Edit Site. Click again on this Edit Site button to access my Wix website editor. Once you're inside Wix website editor, go to Pages and Menu. Click on it, a new site panel opens up. Go to Site menu and hit Add Page. Now click on Landing Page, and this is a coming soon page template that you can use. Let's preview it first. This is the coming soon design, and this is another one. Let's go with the first one, Add Page. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver a Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Let's call it under construction. Hit enter. And now next to your new under construction page, click on these 3 dots and select Set as Home Page. You can slightly edit the copy or the text of your under construction. Let's call it, or let's add, this website is under construction. I'm not interested in this email marketing form, so I will delete it just like that using delete on my keyboard. You can edit your social links just like that. Click on Set Social Links. You can reorder your social links like that. You can delete one if you're not using it, and to edit or to add your social link, just select the platform and hit this link and fill in your new social link and hit done. Click again on done, and now publish this editing, and let's view my website live. As you can see, my website started showing this website is under construction, and this is how to put a Wix website under construction. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.